Hi, this is Jim Pellerino. I think it'd be wonderful if all the people of the Republican Party um, that weren't supporting Ron Paul, that you take your sons and daughters and send them off to fucking war against Iran. Go. Bye bye. See ya. Go fight. Bye. See ya. All those that supporting the warmongering Romney, Gingrich, and Santorum, just shove your daughters and your sons off to war in Iran. Just do it, do it, do it. And send the soldiers that are positioned along Afghanistan-Iranian border. Send them on home because we got some Christian Zionists right there that are going to keep Israel safe. Go ahead, go ahead. Doesn't have anything to do with America, but Michelle Bachmann. Uh, don't know how you're capable of having children with that man, but send them all off. Go keep Israel safe. O Lord says that you must do this. Circle back upon your ass.